What's up guys? Ang gagawin natin today, meron tayong MediaCon. Yeah!
But what I am more excited about is the present and the future.
What's up guys? Ang gagawin natin today, meron tayong MediaCon. Siyempre kasama ang aming management, PPL Entertainment, and ang aming bagong co-management na Cornerstone. Yeah!
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from...
Medyo kinakabahan na, excited kasi, ayun, halo-halo eh, kasi yun nga, parang bago kami sumali sa PPL, parang feeling ko, alam ko ganito rin yung nararamdaman ko, so parang, yung parang nag-refresh yung, parang naulit yung nararamdaman ko, so, ayun, sana maging okay.
Ito, kinakabahan ako ngayon na na-excite. Actually, mixed emotions siya kasi kumbaga bagong ano na naman to eh, bagong chapter sa career namin, ng banda namin. Tsaka yun, nakaka-excite kasi yun nga, bagong family din yung papasukin namin.
Excited kasi syempre, ano na eh, para magka-tag-in na yung hanap na management para sa career namin. So, I'm really excited.
Actually, overwhelmed din kami kasi syempre first time namin na magiging part ng ibang management. So, pero grabe din kasi yung mga naririnig namin stories and syempre yung mga friends namin na nandun din sa management na yun. So, excited din. Syempre kinakabahan din at the same time.
So yun, excited ako kasi yun nga, parang magkakaroon kami ng bagong family. Yun, more opportunities tapos yun, more projects.
Mas ma-widen pa yung reach namin as a band, yung audience namin, dumami pa, and syempre more opportunities.
Feel ko masaya. Hindi ko pa na-XP, ngayon pa lang. So, tsaka na-excite ako kasi syempre, feel ko more work.
Siguro feeling ko mas magiging aggressive yung mga movements namin sa mga shows, sa mga contents din, sa music na i-release namin.
Siguro yun, more songs, ayun, more projects, more gigs.
Hopefully, makita pa nila kami sa mas maraming events, kasama rin yung mga ibang artists.
More pool of artists din yung magiging kasama namin. So, feel ko more collab sa dalawang managements namin. Tsaka, yun, feel ko din more projects kasi syempre, meron sigurong natatap yung dalawang managements na yun na iba't ibang connection. So, yun. Tsaka more gigs sana. More originals.
When Agsunta was still starting, I was able to see them online and I was able to see some of their performances online. And I actually admire them a lot because of the fact that, of the way that they arrange their songs, the passion that they have in terms of expressing the music and the range, the vocal range. But what I am more excited about is the present and the future. So again, this is just the start.